Realized I didn't really film any kind of intro. This is only our second video. Ignore the mess in the background. That's all for the greenhouse, the eggs, the farm stand, kind of all that stuff we have to organize after being in here all winter. This is our little sunroom here. We have a wood stove going. But I realized I didn't really film any kind of intro. It's only our second video, so don't get on me about that. Today, you're going to see a few clips of what we do in the greenhouse. And a lot of what we do here is about diversification. So it's kind of everything agriculture, all different agriculture activities, from firewood to the greenhouse to the farm stand, the veggies, fruit, kind of everything else under the sun. We build greenhouses, build firewood sheds, deliver all those, sell bundles to gas stations, obviously a lot of kindling and everything else. So what you see here today is the few clips to follow is kind of what we do to keep everything diversified. What usually, everything is obviously a little bit seasonal when it comes to really anything agriculture. So by staying diversified, usually when veggie sales are down or non-existent over the winter months, we kind of pick up with the firewood, or we pick up with building some firewood sheds, getting ready for springtime, getting ready for everyone to fill them for the following year, building some raised beds over the winter time, building farm stands, whatever it may be for everyone to get ready for the following year. So a big thing we do is try to diversify a bit. The log hauling is kind of one of the things that brought us into doing all of this. But take a look, follow along with a few things we do. You'll see some planting, some greenhouse maintenance, new seedling planting, greenhouse maintenance, watering, we show the good, the bad, and the ugly though. So you see some trays didn't make it, so we completely reseed them, start over from the beginning. Some trays, you kind of have to cut your losses. They didn't make it, they didn't do great. So again, show the good, the bad, and the ugly of everything agriculture, modern homesteading, and everything in between. So follow along and comment below what you think, what you guys do, what you think maybe we should do. We're open to any suggestions. We're not experts by any means. I'm not an expert in anything I do. Just kind of try to do my best, give it my all, and see how it goes. So stay tuned. And welcome to Jones Family Farm. Here's a tour of our new little greenhouse. It's an 8x12. Let's take a walk in. We have about 45 trays in here. And a bunch of other small pots. These are all newly planted trays. A little seating station. Ignore the mess. We're in the middle of seating. You can see more trays on heater mats. We come back around. A lot more trays. Some impatiens coming up. Periwinkles. For flowers. Some peppers. Watermelon. Different squash. And a lot of new trays, as well as sweet peppers. It's a single wall corrugated polycarbonate panels is what we use. It's just the standard rough sawn lumber for the framing, using standard framing and a repurposed slider door. Follow us for more as we plant more, have more plantings. This is about 3 plantings now in here, and we are looking to do probably at least 2 more plantings, and all these will be for sale on our farm stand or going into the ground in our farms here, so we'll show soon. And then there's some celery that my wife wanted, so we did those separately for us. Thank you. So we start planting some cucumbers today. This is just the way that I do it. I'm no expert. It's just what works for us here at Jones Family Farm. Start with a Sharpie, poke our holes. And this variety is Market More Cucumber from Botanical Interests. Sure, there are probably easier ways, but this is just what works for us. These will be both for our own garden as well as to sell on the farm stand. We're very excited to start selling seedlings. This will be our first year of selling seedlings on the farm stand. Typically we just did veggies, but we figured with our new greenhouse we might as well double up, planting what we usually do, or triple up, and sell some seedlings.